Hello, YouTube friends. Well, I've been not wanting to make this video for a long time because I'm just too lazy. But anyhow, we'll start doing some collection videos. So I'm going to show you the bags that I have on my shelf with my dolls. And all the way across here, there's a sleeping cat. My husband's toolbox and more dolls and some more bags. And then over here against this door, I've got some more bags hanging. So we're going to start with these. If that sounds good to you, keep on watching. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with the smallest bags. These were hanging on a full-length mirror that I have. I'm not going to go over these very much. I have videos for probably every one of these. So I just am going to show you. These are the ones that are out on display in my home office and not displayed beautifully or anything. I don't have, a lot of the display stuff that some YouTubers have, but here we go. So I'm just going to show you quickly what I've got out, and then later I'll do different videos for what's in my bag bins. So anyhow, first one is this beautiful little Coach camera bag, quilted in the color Canyon. This is one of my newer little crossbody bags. Very cute. I like it. It doesn't hold as much as it looks like it would hold, but I do really like the fact that it is leather lined, which is great. I think that's really cool. So anyhow, there's that one. And then, keeping with the Coach theme, I've got my little swinger here. This is in the, I think it was candy pink color. And I hardly ever use this one. I feel bad because I'm just not a pink bag girl. I debated on selling it, but I really do like the swinger style. And I especially like the chain that it came with right here with the little leather bits in it. I think that is really cute. So on the off chance that I'll need a pink bag like on Valentine's Day or Breast Cancer Awareness Month, something like that, I'll keep it. So there's that one. And then also hanging up at all times is my Fossil Jolie. This is one of my favorite crossbody bags. It's just really super easy carry. You can carry it either as a little shoulder bag, kind of a Y2K bag here with this handle. This is not removable, or you can use the crossbody strap. But it's about the exact same size as the swinger. I've got videos on it. Really good bag. Okay, so now we go to the shelves. I'll be quick on these because I just had a video I did on my Michael Kors Sloan in lambskin. Beautiful bag. I like to keep it on display because it's so pretty. And then behind it, I have my beautiful Speedy 25 in Epi. And as I said in the video, the Epi Speedies are not, at least the 25 is not true to that measurement. It's actually bigger. It's a 27. Really cool bag in Toledo blue. And I'm going to try and put these back as I show them, otherwise it will never get done. And then we have my elderly Speedy. This is my Speedy from, I think it was, I want to say this one is 91. Could be 93. I'm not sure. Anyhow, little Speedy 25. Cute. One of my first Louis Vuitton bags. And then I have my little Boysenberry Georgie. This is really cute. It was an outlet piece, but it's the Napa leather and it's quilted. It's really nicely made. I love it. Got a little pocket on the back, saddle shape. It does come with a nice thick crossbody strap, but I like to use it with the gold chain from the Dreamer shoulder bag. It looks really beautiful with gold. Kind of picks that up. Beautiful bag and reasonably priced too. And then we have the Coach Tate. Now this is kind of a large bag to have up on my shelf. I used to have it in a different bag holder, but I wasn't using it because I had it in the dust bag, and I just I like to look at it. It's so pretty. It's one of my favorite work bags. Just absolutely beautiful. Glove tan leather. This is a boutique bag, and it has the 1941 canvas inside. And then in the center section, it's kind of designed like a Rogue in a way. It's just the same 1941 canvas, kind of the linen material, and a nice thick crossbody strap. But I use it with the handles because it's a kind of bigger bag. I think it's about 30 inches across. So the Tate, this is I believe this is the Amazon green and oxblood. Really nice combination. And then in keeping with the little work bags, I have my little Kate Spade medium Stacy bag. This one's really cute. It kind of has that Birkin feel to it. Just cross grain leather. And I believe this color was Dusk Cityscape. There's that one. I see why I haven't done one of these videos before. I'm already feeling winded. And then as a reminder to use it, because it's one of my favorite bags I'd wanted for a long time, and in the little dust bag I hardly ever see it, the Cassie. And this is in the tan rust combo. Really super cute. I hardly ever use it. This is a one that I got from I think it was a floor model at Macy's or something like that. So it had the tags on it, but it came with some little scratches on it. But that's okay. I got a tremendous deal on it. I've wanted it for so long. And I touched up some little spots on the back where the finish had gone, but I don't even see them anymore. I did a great job. So that's the Cassie, the regular size. And then next to it, because to me it's a work of art, I've got my Basquiat Pez Rogue 25. Beautiful, beautiful. I love to keep this one up on the shelf because it just needs to be admired. And then after that one, all the way over here, I keep this one on the shelf because it tends to get dented if I put it with other bags. This is the Dreamer shoulder bag. And I think this shoulder strap I took off the Coach Signature Chain Hobo. Before I got rid of it, I parted it out. But it makes a great shoulder carry. Or it comes with a really nice crossbody strap with the infinity strap and a beautiful lightweight chain that I love. It's a crossbody, or you can double it up. But this is a really pretty bag with the suede, kind of the buffalo print, double flaps, studs. It's got everything. Really a cute bag. Okay, so now we're going to the hanging bags in order. And this is the Coach Molly. I think this was, what was this color called? Yellow ochre, I think. And I've got my little repurchased charm on here because it fell off of this bag the first time I used it. Don't put your charms on this little hanger. It's too thin and they'll drop right off. But it's lined with the oxblood, really a cute bag. And I kind of try and keep the like bags together. This is similar. This is my new Fossil Kingston satchel. Adorable in the natural color. I love this bag. It's really very cute. Good little size. Same size as the Marc Jacobs, I think it's the mini tote bag in leather. Same size as that, if that's what you like. And another similar bag over here is the Portland Leather Goods. I think this was the mini crossbody tote. Very cute bag. And this one, I think was cognac. I think it's the color. But it really doesn't show scratches or anything. It's really a nice leather. Love it. These bags are great. And I wear this one quite often. It's just such a good grab and go bag for if you're going to be somewhere where you want to look casual, not fancy. Okay, let's see what's over here. Here we go. Got my beautiful Kate Spade Margot bag. I just put a little ring on here if I want to attach a charm. It's missing the little Came with like a little luggage tag charm. Missing that, lined in kind of pink color. Really a beautiful bag. I think this color was red chili pepper, and this is the large size. Perfect for work. Then I have my Stan leather bag in crazy blue. This is a beautiful little bag. I'm happy to have it. It's wearing pretty well. Not quite as well as I would have hoped. I think there are some parts of it that are kind of getting a little strange wear on it. I think because of the leather process that he used, but it is beautiful, handcrafted. Really a nice bag. I'm glad I have it. And then, keeping with the blue theme, my little Noah pop-up by Coach in the cherries print. I think it's on the denim blue. This is a darling little bag. I'm really glad that I ended up getting the blue background cherries instead of the white. I just think this looks not as loud. Really cute. Comes with its own little card holder in the front. Isn't that cute? So it's like you get two pieces in one. This is great. I love this little bag. It's definitely an alternative to carrying a wallet. And then one of my absolute all-time favorites, this little guy. And this is the, what was this one? This is the little Dreamy Leaves backpack, but I can't remember the name of the actual backpack. It's by Coach. It was in the men's line. Shoot. Well, let's see. Do I have little tags in here? Probably not. The mask. I use this thing all the time. I love it. It's got the two zippers. It's about the same size as the, no, I don't have the tags. It's about the same size as the Palm Springs Mini. And it is fabulous. Love this little guy. I've used it a lot. And then next to it, I have hanging my little Kate Spade backpack. I can't remember the name of this one either. I thought I'd be better at this. This is just a quilted fabric, shiny. And I really can't remember the name of this. Had some kind of clever name, but it's got little hot pink accents. Very cute. And then I've got my little Coach Madison convertible backpack. This is super cute. I love this thing. This is great. I'm not going to take out all the straps, but I have them tucked in here, and you just attach them on the sides. I usually carry it like a crossbody, though. Really elegant little backpack. Now, let's see here. Getting over to a bucket bag. This is the Dooney & Bourke Greta, and I can't remember what kind of bag this is called. Isn't that terrible? This is the Greta print. I don't know. Anyhow, it's cute. I love this backpack. I carry it a lot. It's got a real nice thick handle or strap, and it's not crossbody. It's just shoulder wear. Very cute, and it's the coated canvas. Okay, so now we have the Coach Venturer 27. This is the adorable one from the Outlet men's section, and it's in the little cars print. It is so cute. And I added this little chain from another bag. I think it gives it a little edge. But this is very cute. It has the webbing strap, and sometimes I carry it with a vachetta strap. That's that. Now to the old Doonies. Got my Dooney satchel here. This is formerly the small satchel, and now it's just the regular satchel. Beautiful. It's in beautiful condition. I got this one pre-loved on eBay, and I double up the strap so I can carry these over my shoulder because they're a little bulky for a, crossbody, in my opinion. Beautiful Florentine leather, shiny, so pretty. And then I also have this one. This is the Dooney. This was the zip top crossbody in Florentine leather. And this is in the chestnut color, which is a really pretty, kind of like a milk chocolate brown. Beautiful, beautiful bags. So that is all I'm going to do today. I feel like I'm holding you guys hostage, showing you everything in my office. Next time we will go with the contemporary bags in the bin, and then the vintage bag collection, and then the bags that are, oh, totes. And I have bags in my closet too. I know, it's terrible. Small house. That's all I can do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.